where you been at, I'm just passing the breeze. I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been cooling, laying low, but I'm not taking the seat. But just know a nigga back in this time, I won't leave. I've been running.
Okay, so jumping straight into it, I'm going to be priming my face with the SmashBox Photo Finish Primer. And I'm going to be applying that with a brush. I already did my brows off camera. I'm now setting my T-zone with the Sacha ButterCup setting powder because I have an oily T-zone and this powder helps with shine control and longevity of the foundation. I'm now going to take the orange LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm going to cover up all my dark spots. I'm going to be applying this with a small Morphe brush and I'm going to be blending it out with the Real Technique sponge. And this video is going to get so much better now that my camera is back in focus. I'm now going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade Expresso and apply it all over my face. And let me just say that this is literally the only foundation I've found so far that matches my skin tone to a T. I'm going to be blending that out with the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, which is one of my favorite brushes to blend out foundation with. I'm now taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight my under eyes, my T-zone, my upper lip, and my butt chin. And I'm going to be applying that with a small brush. I'm now taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany and I'm going to be using that to contour. So I'm going to be applying that to the bottom of my cheekbones, the perimeter of my forehead, and the sides of my nose. I'm going to be blending all of that out with my beauty blender.
One of them ones. Right.
Now that I'm done blending, I'm going to go back in with the Sacha ButterCup powder to set all of the areas that I highlighted. And my trick is to use a damp sponge. So I'm going to use the Real Technique sponge and use the flat part to set under my eyes and all of the other areas that I highlighted. And shout out to Jackie Heiner for teaching me this trick. I'm now taking the black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder in the shade Neutral Light, and I'm going to use the sponge, and I'm going to use that to sharpen my contour. And I'm using this because it's more brown compared to the Sacha ButterCup powder, which is yellow, which is more suitable for highlighting. I'm now going to take this big fluffy brush from Morphe and use it to dust away all of the powder. I'm now going to go off camera and apply eyeshadow and lashes. So now I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus, and yes, that's what's in the spray bottle, and I'm going to spray it all over my face and then press it in with a beauty blender instead of letting it air dry like you would with a setting spray. And that's pretty much the trick to get rid of the powdery look which causes flashback. Now I'm going into the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. That is a tongue twister. In the shade medium to dark, and I'm also going to take the e.l.f. contour brush and go into the first shade and basically use it to set my cream contour but also darken the contour itself as well. I'm then going to use a shade right next to it and go over the parts that I highlighted just to tone down the brightness a little. Then I'm going to go back in with the first color to contour my nose, and I suggest that you use a very, very light hand with this because this can go very wrong very fast. Then I'm going to go back in with that Real Techniques Expert Face Brush just to blend everything all together. Once everything is blended in together, I go back in with my MAC Fix Plus spray and a beauty blender. And now for my favorite part, I'm going to be highlighting with Artist Couture's Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Illuminati, and I'll be applying it with the Morphe MB43 brush. And the way that I make sure that I get the most blinding highlight is by spraying my face first with MAC Fix Plus and then applying the highlighter. Because I'm going for a more natural look today, I'm going to be blending out the highlighter after I apply it with the Real Technique stippling brush. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray to help combat my oily T-zone throughout the day. For the lips, I'm going to start off by lining my lips with the NYX lip liner in the shade Dark Brown. Then I'm taking the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Tiramisu and applying it to the inside of my lips. Okay, so that concludes the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your family, your friends, your cousins, your mama, your daddy. And I'll see you in the next video. Huh? No, it's just to this is to get rid of like dark spots. Well, like to cover it so it don't come through your foundation. Yeah. Cause you judging me right now, girl. Yes, you are. You gonna blow her out? Yeah. I might keep this part in, honestly. Mom, you're in my shot. You know people really walk outside with their foundation like this? Like, it's not your color. Public service announcement, if you put your foundation on and it look like this on your skin, it's not your color. You know you feel it in your soul, so like they be doing that at church like, You could, whoa, 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 whoa. This is why I just can't get with you. From you? From you. Oh. What? I'm giving Tiana Taylor? Shit. I might be somebody. Ooh. I need to put my hair in the bottom. Just wait till it dry. No, I want to get rid of it now. Like, I'm so annoyed right now.
Just fucking do it.
Just fucking do it. I'ma do it. Just move. Yes, get in my frame. Get in my frame. Yes, honey. I can't be bothered.